Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO on November 24th when the price of this asset was at $4.84, and my main assumption was that we have to see the movement to the downside that should retest this yellow line, the range at about $4.35, and from this point we might have the movement to the upside that will land at about $5.4 mark with an upside potential of about 20%. I told you that it was a quite a risky trade, and it is quite risky trade. That is why it was up to you to use my forecast or not. But guys, at the same time, take a look right here. We were at this point, we were on November 24th, and we went lower, exactly as I predicted. For now, we have a very good range of support at around $4.3, and we have first bounce to the upside that potentially will be the beginning of its movement to the upside. But everything I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account. And guys, for now there is a Black Friday sale that will be active for at least 2 days, and for the $17.5 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for for the discounted value of $225 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $17.5 a month, and it is roughly 50 cents a day. So I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And guys, let's take a look again at its price action. If we zoom out a little bit, if we take a look on a bigger picture, you can see that we are scratching the range of support that I marked basically previously. We had very good range of support from the region that happened, that was basically set from June 11th till July 26th, and we might have the bounce to the upside from this very range, and it is happening right now, but more details I will show you in just several minutes. First of all, I want to pay attention to the updates from analytic firms, and we have a couple of companies who updated their ratings on NIO on November 24th and November 28th. Goldman Sachs and DBS downgraded and reiterated their ratings respectively. And take a look right here. Goldman Sachs reduced its price target from $4.8 to $3.9, which implies 19.42% of downside potential. At the same time, guys, let's take a look again right here. I don't have the access behind the paywall, but we can Google the results. DBS upgraded their price target. They set it at $7.5. And guys, we have even more updates. If you click right here, you can see that NIO ADR's target price rise to $8 from $7.3 by DBS. And this news was published just 6 hours ago. So we can clearly see mixed forecasts for NIO. And according to 15 ratings, we have 8 analysts who suggest to buy, 5 analysts who suggest to hold, and 2 analysts who suggest to sell. We have one more that joins who joins this sell button, and the consensus analyst price target is still above our current price at $6.01, but the lowest price target was set by Goldman Sachs at $3.9. That is why, guys, this trade that I showed you on my previous video is still on the table, but it is still very risky. On top of that, I want to pay attention to some interesting update that was filed on November 25th on the so-called smart money list. It is the list of institutional investors, and you can see that Fidelity opened completely new position, one branch of Fidelity, Fidelity Central Investment Portfolios LLC, Fidelity Emerging Markets Equity Central Fund, opened completely new position with a value of about $1 million. And I have to admit that it might be potentially quite bullish sign. At the same time, guys, let's take a look at its fundamental news. Just yesterday, we can see that it was published an article on cnvpost.com that is titled China NOV EV Sales Preview. Deutsche Bank expects NIO at 22,000 vehicles. And let me show you this forecast in details. The team forecasts NIO to retail 22,000 units in November, up 38% year-on-year and up 5% sequentially. In the first 3 weeks of November, NIO's domestic retail sales totaled 14,000 units, according to team. The team expects the NIO brand to deliver 17,000 units and Onvo sub-brand 5,000 units in November. Based on dealer feedback, NIO's total new order flow in November is estimated to be around 30,000 units, with the NIO brand at around 17,000 units and Onvo brand at around 13,000 units, according to Deutsche Bank. And NIO guided fourth quarter vehicle deliveries to be in the range of 72 to 75,000 vehicles, representing year-on-year growth of about 43.9% to 49.9% in its third quarter earnings report released on November the 20th. That guidance means NIO could deliver a total of 51,024 vehicles to 54,024 vehicles in November and December, with full-year deliveries expected to be in the range of 221,000 to 224,000 vehicles. And guys, this range of 221,000 vehicles is the baseline that was set by the NIO C-level executives. With this major target, if they achieve this target, it will be a very strong signal that NIO share price might go higher than the current price target. That is why, guys, I think NIO has a potential, but in the short and medium-term perspective, we might anticipate only a bounce from this range. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, guys, as already mentioned, we still have this trade on the table. From the current price, we have, let's take a look right here, we have less than 4% of downside potential, and I have to admit that the risks are quite high. But at the same time, guys, the price target is set at the same level at $5.4, which implies 22% of upside potential. This means risk-to-reward ratio becomes even more lucrative, of 7-to-1. And definitely, if you know how to properly manage your position, you can definitely use this information as a part of your due diligence. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap.